Okay, you got number 1,
1,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7,
8,
9.
and 9.
Let's stick it.
Okay,
Hi.
what are you doing now?
We're doing Minecraft numbers. We're doing Xbox Race.
Okay, let me get the magnetic blocks out.
Wow.
There you go.
Here first this sky and this open very big and get a lot.
Wow, look at all that.
This is the way to put it on if you
Okay, you
don't.
can put it in there.
What are you doing?
Let's build numbers.
Okay, I'm making one.
Okay, you do 1.
Let's mix numbers.
Okay, you can mix it. Not there, you need to do it here.
Okay,
And one more here. One more on top. One more on top. Yes, number 1.
number 1. I can make one.
Yep.
Let's do it like this. He looked like a creeper.
No, you have to do like that. Okay. Okay, number 2. You want to do number 2? Or you want me to do it?
No, I don't want to get this one here. And number 2. You gonna do it.
Okay.
I can make something.
Okay. I will do number 2 then. There you go, number 2. Then look, number 2. I got number 2.
I'm making 8.
Okay. Okay, I got 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna do number 3 now.
I'm making 8.
Are you?
Yes. Look, this is 8. This is
Yeah, you
8.
did it. Okay. I got number 3.
Look, I got.
Looks like an E.
I made 8.
You got it.
got
Oh, good job.
I made 8.
You got 8.
I just
Okay.
do this side and I just do this side.
Yes. Look, got number 4. Okay.
No, number 1 need to be like that. Number 2 need to be like that.
Okay.
Number 3 need to be like that. Number 4 need to be like that.
Okay.
That's 8. Don't crash my 8, okay?
Okay. What's that?
5.
Number 5.
And after that,
Okay, if you want to do number 1, then you have to go from here. Okay, number 1 here. And then you get number 2 there.
number 3.
Number 3 goes like that. Number 4. Okay.
Number 5.
Number 5. Okay.
Don't
Next
crash my
one.
8. This is my funny. This is my good 8.
Okay.
What are you making now?
Number 6.
6.
Number 6.
No,
Okay, you got number 6.
Can you make 7 so I can put 8?
Okay, number 7.
We already made 8.
Okay, number 7 is going to be here.
Here's number 8.
And then last one.
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. We've got 1, 2, 3, and then this one goes in there. And then goes here, and then goes here. There you go.
No 10.
We don't have enough for 10. Sorry. That's it. We can only make up to number 9. See, this is not enough.
Not count how many numbers.
Okay. Oh. Careful. You get stuck. Okay.
Because these are magnets.
Yes. Number
1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9.
Yeah, good job.
Now let's make Hexbug race.
Wait,
Can you
let
bring
me.
What?
Okay, first one, I'm gonna take number 1 and stand over here.
number 2?
Number 2 is gonna be that one, and then stand like that. Number 2, and then got number 3. Uh-oh. Number 3.
Are you see your hand, Daddy?
Yes. Look, number 3. Stand like that. And
Good.
number
Number
4. 4. I think I have to put 4 with 3 because 4 can't stand by itself. Okay, 4. And then number 5.
Maybe 5 can stand.
Yes.
Okay, well,
Number 5.
6 can
Number 6.
stand.
Yep. 7 can't stand by, so you have to put it together with 6. Like that. Wait. Yeah, like that. 8 can stand by itself, and so can 9. There you go. Uh-oh. It's too close. Wait.
I'm
There
just
you go by itself.
stick it so he can stand up. He can wrestle the line.
Okay, you got number 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
9.
9.
Let's stick it.
Okay, go.
Do it. Just
Stick them all together.
stick it. Stick it.
Yes.
I can't stick it.
Yes. It's. There you go. It's all done together. Like that. I like it. I like it.
Now I want to do Hexbug.
Hexbug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you get a Hexbug for me?
Hexbug. Okay. Let's do it.
Let's crash this.
Okay, crash it.
Number 1, number 8 is crash.
Mm-hmm.
It's crash into whole tire. Crash, crash.